Hello everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, coming at you with another video that'll help you take control of your financial destiny. On this channel we talk about apps that involve money and real estate, and we're going to be covering how to add a debit card to the Venmo app so that you can use it to add money to your balance. So let's start off by opening the Venmo app up. And once you've logged into the home screen, you'll want to click on the Me icon at the bottom right hand corner. Once there, scroll down and you'll see banks and cards. You have the option to add a bank or a card by clicking that plus icon, so that's what you want to do. You'll then want to select card, but keep in mind what it's saying there, that they charge 3% fee for sending money with credit cards. Of course, we're linking a debit card, but if you were going to be linking a credit card, that's something you want to take in consideration. But we're going to be clicking on card. And from here, you just add the information on your debit card, or if you wanted to, you can click the little camera icon and you could scan your card and the information will be filled in that way. When you're ready, click on add. And it says your card was successfully added. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.